Hi, I'm Frank Dwyer, Service Manager here at LaFontaine Volvo Cars of Farmington Hills. We're right on Haggerty Road, just north of Grand River Avenue. When you arrive for service, you'll want to drive up to the service doors on the north end of the dealership. As you approach, the automatic door will open for you to enter the service lane. There, you'll be greeted by a friendly service advisor who will get things started and write up your repair order. Here at LaFontaine Volvo, we respect your time and will do our best to complete the work efficiently without compromising the quality of service. If you decide to leave your vehicle behind during your visit, we will keep you informed by your choice of voice, text, or email with any updates and when your vehicle is ready for pickup. If you choose to wait for service, please help yourself to refreshments and take advantage of our customer lounge and Wi-Fi. And when life takes a wrong turn, our LaFontaine Collision Center is here to help. From minor dings to major damage, we do it all, and we work with all insurance companies. Myself and the LaFontaine family want to be sure that you are completely satisfied with your experience. If for any reason you feel that we fell short of that, or if you have any questions regarding your service repair, please let us know immediately. We want to see you leave with the same smile that you walked in with. After all, this is LaFontaine, the family deal, where it's not just what you get, it's how you feel. LaFontaine.